Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So, in a couple of weeks back, I received one requirement or issue from business related to pricing, cash discount condition types, and VAT as well. And I will discuss this with you guys how I approach this issue and what solution that I have provided to them. Fine. So, let me explain the issue first. If you see here the pricing procedure, there are so many before 740 step, but I chosen these three only, which is required for our discussion. If you see here step number 740, we see before tax. This is determined based on the step 700 only. And in 750, we see ZVAT, and in 760, we see ZSKT. That is nothing but cash discount condition type. Okay, so currently what's happening is that, for example, net value is 100 euros. Okay, and the GVAT condition records maintained as 10 percentage. Now, the GVAT will be determined as 10% of 100 euros. That is 10 euros. So 10% of 100 is 10. So the GVAT is currently applied as 10 euros. And coming to ZSKT, in the payment terms, we know that, right? In cash discount will work based on the payment of setup and material master cash discount flag is enabled or not. So many settings will be required. So in the payment terms, OBB8 transaction code 10% has been maintained. Okay, based on 10%, the condition cash discount value is 10 only. Again, 10% of 100 euros is 10 only. That's what determined here. So if you want me to explain about cash discount condition types, the benefits, how it works means, please do let me know in the comment section. I can explain you in the next video. Okay, fine. So now currently what's happening, you see here a GVAT determined based on the net value. Okay, but the expectation is that they want to calculate VAT value after deduction of cash discount from net value. That is net value minus cash discount. So net value is 100 minus cash discount. What is the value of cash discount? It is 10. Now the explanation is that they want to calculate the GVAT of 90 euros only, not the 100 euros. So what is the value of 10% of 90 euros? That is 9 euros. So the VAT they're expecting is that 9 euros. That's the expectation here. Okay, so what we are going to do now, this is as is pricing procedure, this to be. So what I did, I moved that cash discount condition type to before the GVAT condition type. You see, the as is the cash discount is below GVAT. The to be, I moved that condition type to before GVAT. That's the first thing. Okay, the second thing is that we need to assign the alt condition base value routine to the ZVAT, that is 16. You might ask me why we need to assign the routine number 16 for ZVAT under alt condition base value routine level. Okay, if you see this pricing procedure, okay, I'm in the SAP system now. I am opening the pricing procedure. I'm opening the routine. So number 16 now. I will show you the source code of an routine number 16. If you see here, the cash discount is reduced from net value. You might ask why the plus symbol here. The reason here is that in the system, the cash discount will be always a negative value only. If you add a minus here means the cash discount will be added to this net value. It will become 110. 100 plus 10 means 110 it will become. Right? That shouldn't happen. That's why we add a plus here, which will be 100 minus 10. 90. That means the GWAT will be determined based on the this routine value. What value we are getting here? The 90. We are getting the 90 value, 90 euros in this as part of this routine. Routine is giving the 90 euros. On the 90 euros, system determining the GWAT value. So if you do this without any custom developments, with standard thing only, we can simply achieve this requirement. Okay, you can please let me know if you have any other concerns or queries on this issue or requirement. And if you want me to talk about cache discount condition types, how it works, what configuration is to done means, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on that as well. That's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.